Hello everyone, welcome to Solo Source. I'm gonna show you how to make an interesting vase for my friend Vicky. Let's get started. First, we're gonna use her size vase as a guide to follow the outline of the vase. And then we're gonna add 1/2 inch along the shoulder and the sleeve opening for sewing. And we're also gonna subtract 1 inch from the side to the center of the vase. And now we can cut off, this is the back portion of the vase. We are using the back panel at 1 inch for the button for the front panel. Then we mark down 5 inches from the center down for where the front opening is. And we basically just cut off, follow this back panel. And then we subtracting 1/2 inch from the front shoulder part and the little sleeve opening there. And mark off the opening for the front panel. Then we open this piece up. Actually, that's 2 pieces for the left side and the right side of the front. And then now we make a curve for the front opening. Now we got our back piece and 2 front pieces. Our inside layer is complete. And we measure the size of the opening for the hoodie later on. So now we got these 2 pieces material that Vicky likes a lot, and we're gonna use that for the outside panel of the vase and make it interesting. And we combine all 3 different materials. And the 2 top panels. I will overlocking all the pieces. And now we can cut the hoodie. We measure 16 inches for the whole length. And then 3.5 inches, make a curve for the front. our inside liner of the hoodie. And here's our outside panel. Now it's ready to sew. First, we're going to connect all 3 panels together. After we got all 3 bottom panel all together, and now we can add the top panels on the both front pieces, and then we're gonna sew on. After the front, and now we go to the back. Now we can sew over the shoulder, connecting the front panel and the back panel together. After everything's complete, now we can iron the vest pretty good, and we iron over all the openings. If you enjoy watching my video, please give me a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I would like to make more fun sewing projects. After ironing is done, we're gonna sew on the hoodie. We are going to connect the inside liner and the outside panel all together. Now our hoodie is ready to install. We'll sew over it later on. Our next step is connecting the inside layer together. You basically just connecting the 2 shoulder part, the front panel and the back panel, and both sides as well. After that's done, we can connecting the bottom of the vest with the inside layer and the outside layer together. After bottom's done, we're gonna sew over the both sides. The inside layer and the outside layer, both left side and the right side. And sew over the loop for the bun. Now we are ready for the hoodie. We basically sandwich the hoodie all together with the inside layer and the outside layer, and just sew over from the beginning to the end of the hoodie. We are sewing along the vest after the hoodie is done. After we sew on the bun, we're gonna use the bias tape, the double folded, and close the both sides of the sleeve opening. We're starting from the bottom of the sleeve opening and sew around it. After we finish both sides, and our vest will be complete. This is the back side of the vest, and this will be the front side of the vest. And we got Vicky a nice, interesting vest. Please check the link here for more sewing projects.